Hi guys, I'm going to be opening a complete booster box of the Attax 2015-16 trading card collection today, and in this video I'm going to be opening this box. It says it's got a guaranteed bronze, silver or gold limited edition card inside, and 10 players per pack and £1 per pack. We've got 50 packs per box, as you can see here. So I'm going to be straight into this box. We've got the on sale poster up front, and then we've got every single pack inside. So I'm just going to be moving a few packs out of the box. I'm going to start opening and see what we have. Got the man of the match, Robert Huth. Oscar, De Bruyne, Neom, Oxford, Mason, Krul, Guzan, Sacco and Sunderland badge card there. Really like the collection this year, and love the special insert cards. We have defensive duo for Swansea, Taylor and Norton. We have Francis, Ledley, Osman, Wayne Rooney captain, amazing card, Dawson, Lawns, Wanyama away kit. Really nice this really like this new feature this year of the away kits. Although I do quite miss the manager cards, really would have hoped for one. But maybe in Attax Extra, excellent Matteo Darmian, man of the match, fantastic signing. Falcao, Martin, Ramsey, Tompkins, Kante, and Bemba, Grealish, Okazaki, and Bournemouth badge card, newly promoted club. Moving on, we've got Van Ginkel, Sterling, Rule, referee card there, Son, Lovren, Wijnaldum, O'Shea captain, and Harry Kane card there. I really like this particular type of card with Matrici Stopler. I really like that bit of golden embossing that they've done there. We got Gomez, man of the match. Got Sacco, Besic, Carrick, Houlihan, Schlupp, Yelovich, Cork, Butland, and Arsenal badge card. Premier League is getting really competitive this season. Got Mitrovic, man of the match. We got Oscar, Otamendi, Mertesacker, away kit, Walker, Borini, Boye, McCarter, Sanchez star player. Wow, we got our first 100 club out of the box. Harry Kane, decent pull that. Really feel he's a one season wonder. What do you guys think? Let me know. We got midfield duo of Noble and Koyate. We got Elphick, Tete, Vialas, Bona, Housen, Ings, Long, Norton, and Aston Villa club badge. It's my favorite bit of pack openings, having a complete booster box to open on one video. And to buy, nice card there. Really like this card. And a Bond horse top player. Guzan, man of the match. We have Distin, Stone, Schneiderlin away kit, really nice. Berahino, Skirtle, Tadic, Hutton, Giroud, and Crystal Palace club badge. Hopefully we can pull the gold limited edition out of this box. Boyan, Bennett, Coquelin, Murray, Manman, Huth, Manami, Shelby, Kushelny, and Defoe Stopler. Just really hoping for a De Gea 100 club this season. Really been a really good performer last season for Man United. Obviously, double player of the year. So I did kind of expect him, but it's quite a surprise considering Czech didn't even play half of the season. Sorry about that. Good Everton club badge. Pedro, Barclay, Mahrez, really nice player this year. Pantelimon. Then we have Martin Besong duo for Everton. Sorry, apologies, Norwich. Then we have Ward, man of the match. Chelsea club badge. Mieza, Punchin, Sermon, Chester, Klein, Ward-Prowse, Montero and Besong. Really looking forward to the Champions League collection. Supposedly Tops is going to be the one releasing them this year as well. Good Lukaku. Used to be Panini doing it every year, but we've got Atsu man of the match. Looks like it's going to be Tops this year, getting the rights from Panini on a 3-year contract. We have Kolarov man of the match. Ginkel Company, Wilshere, Fellaini, Dyer, Fuchs, Mane, Richards and Leicester City club badge. They're performing really well this season. Mahrez and Vardy are on fire for them. Speaking of Vardy, seems like we've got his star player card there, so really nice pull that. We got Ki Sung-young man of the match. Johnson, Silva, Mertesacker, Valencia, Nichibi, Wilowelski, Cisse, Ivanovic. Really absent this season. Liverpool club badge. One of the better performers every year, Ivanovic to Chelsea. Age getting to him probably. We got duo of Leicester. Cahill, Bamford, Britos, Song, Bentlem, Larson, Classy, Mings and Coutinho star player for Liverpool. After that we got Macaulay, man of the match. That's quite a lot of man of the matches being pulled, really like it. Then we have Crouch, Toure, McCarthy, Phil Jones, Brady, Benteke, Jones, Joe Hart and Man City club badge. Derby coming up this Sunday. Fabregas, Kelly, Teolefu, Agent Guard, Lamella, Okazaki, Colcini, Fernandez, Stecklenburg, Aguero star player. Got Lallana man of the match. Cameron, Delph, Oxlade-Chamberlain, Obiang, Morrison, Gomez, Dorado, Clark and Manchester United club badge. Excellent. Really good to see the team doing well this season. Got Paye, man of the match. Excellent player there. Doing really very well. Schweinsteiger, excellent. Can't believe he's playing for United. And what a steal he's going to prove to be for just £6 million. Excellent signing. Good Ramsey and Coquelin duo card for Arsenal there. Whelan, O'Neill, Debussy, Koyate, Fletcher, Joa, Bertrand, Clark and Everton club badge to top it up. Good One Matter star player, excellent player there. Really like him, performing well this season as well. Started every single match this season, struggled a bit to get into the side last year, but with Danny Rose man of the match, nice card. Peters, Much, Walcott, Martial, excellent signing. Bill Wayne, Van Dijk, Watmore, Fabianski, and Newcastle United club badge. We got Robbie Brady, man of the match, former United player. Youth product there. And John Mott, star player. It's going to be a task setting all these cards in order. Courtois, man of the match. 500 cards coming out of the box. Brighton, De Jong, Bartley, Shelby, and Norwich City club badge. Got Jerome, star player, Villani, Torrance, Cazorla, Noble, Gardner, Moreno, Fonte, Traveler, Schneiderlin. Really like the card there. I'm just gonna rush a little. Absolutely enjoy filming these long videos. Mira last man of the match. Looks like we've got limited edition there. Star player, Eden Hazard, Remy, Mulumbu, Holabash, Creswell, Lloris, Klein, Anita, and Henderson bronze limited edition. Nice card there. Would have really hoped for a silver or a gold limited edition, but can't really complain. Sigurdsson, star player, Czech 100 club. Really dislike that card. Didn't play last season, but when it's Arsenal fans for a poll, you know you're never going to win a poll against an Arsenal player. Moving on. Good font, man of the match. Terry, Wickham, Gomez, Brond, Gomez again, Suarez, Lescott, Vertonghen, and Tottenham club badge. Really can't see anything on that card there, with everything just being silver. Ericsson, star player, free kick expert there. Apologies for my voice today, I'm just recovering from a bad cold. But Miralash and Naismith duo card there. We've actually got 200 clubs from this box. Let's see what the odds are. With 100 clubs, 131 packs, I think only be getting 2 of those. We've got Russell Martin, man of the match for Norwich. Courtois, Zaha, Tehea, excellent. Mavi, Milner, boring James Milner. Watford club badge. Walshite, Bennett, Arteta, Jenkinson, Graban, Mignolet, Target, Ayew, Rodriguez. Good to see him back after a lengthy injury, and Gallo, who's doing well as well. This club Watford. Sorry, got West Bromwich Albion club card. Yeah, Pony, Cordes, injury substitution. Via, Hoa, Westwood, Kushelny, and Charlie, man of the match. It would be nice to see how many man of the matches we end up getting out of the complete box. Got another complete box, West Ham club badge. Another complete box that I have, I'm planning to open separately in parts. That way, Tadic and Davis. That way it'll be better for the guys that prefer shorter videos. With Mason and Bentaleb duo card there. Cook, Zabaleta, Jagielka, Herrera. Drink water. Good Southampton club badge there. There's one club who always sells a lot of players, Cazorla, man of the match, but always manages to do well. We've got one of their players coming up, star players, Bella. few more packs to go from this box. Got Rondon star player. Luke Shaw, wish him a speedy recovery. 72 defense. Quite underrated, I feel. Probably go up next season. Got Wijnaldum, man of the match. Scored 4 for the last match. Just going to be getting all the packs out of the box there. Around 10 odd packs to go. Stoke City Club badge. David Silva, man of the match. Although plays for Man City, but quite like the player. Probably one of the best playmakers in the league. Oh wow, look at that, we got a Sterling Bronze limited edition. So we've actually managed to pull 2 limited editions out of the box. Zuma, Whittaker, Howard, Lanzini, Olsen, Morgan, Williamson, Ada, and Dave star player. Quite surprised there. Got 2 limited editions out of the box. Both bronze though. So disappointing, but we have beaten the odds by quite some margin. Sorry about that. We got Sunderland club badge. We got Sissoko. Sorry. But yes, Mata and Ashley Young midfield duo. Absolutely amazing card. And just a few base cards there. Quite a lot of duo cards actually from this box. So that's really nice. Got Patafemi Gomez, man of the match. Got Shaqiri. What a career he'd be having if they played in reverse. Starting at Stoke City. We got Bournemouth club badge once again out of the box. Falcao, Martin, Krul, referee, Son, Lovren, Wijnaldum, Butland, and we've got Brunt man of the match card there. I'll probably give away any additional codes that I have. So if you want any of these codes, if any particular player, let me know. Got Richie star player. If you need any particular players codes, I'll be happy to help you. Just leave me a message. You can like my page on Facebook. It's Football Cards India. Arsenal club badge there. And you can follow me on Twitter, Football Cards In. You can leave me a message on we got Fabregas and Matic duo card there for Chelsea. You can leave me a private message on YouTube as well, but it's with the changed system and stuff, it's pretty difficult on YouTube. So I prefer you message me on Facebook or on Twitter if anything. Ashley Young, Hooper, Davis, Kozak, Baines, and got Bojan, man of the match for Stoke City. I quite preferred the Fantasy League for the Pro 11 cards, but Tops is just trying everything new, different years. So they've gone with the online matches this time, still to try out what that is. They're 4-star player again. I'm going to have a look pretty soon and see what the online thing is like this year. With Sunderland club badge, De Bruyne, Osman, Rooney, Mason, Lawns, Wanyama, Routledge, Kane, and Silva man of the match once again. So last pack out of the box, 50th pack. Let's see what we can get out of it. We got Reed star player, Francis Ledley, Ramsey, Tompkins, Dawson, Kante, and Bemba, Grealish. We got Berami man of the match card to end the box. So quite a decent box break that was. A lot of man of the matches being pulled, as you can see here. Also a lot of club badges, and the highlight of the box has been the 2 limited edition cards, although they've been bronze. Pretty happy with that. And Also, we've managed 200 clubs, Harry Kane and Petr. So two decent pulls there, and quite a few duo cards. Also a lot of star players, and not to forget the Pro 11 cards. So please leave a like, comment what you think about this video. Let me know what you think about these long videos, or if you want me to do another complete booster box in one video, or break it down into a couple of videos. So that's it from this video, guys. Please leave a like, comment what you think. Please subscribe to my channel in case you haven't already done so. I had a little issue with the Cricket Attax results. I'm going to be rectifying that as soon as I can, and I'll be getting those results up as well. And I don't know about future competitions until I sort out the Cricket Attax ones first. Really sorry about the delay. So that's it from this video, guys. See you all in the next video. Until then, have a great day and goodbye.